My name is Guah Eng Hock. I'm the Chairman of Waste Management and Recycling Association of Singapore. One of the key issues facing our industry in Singapore, the recycling and waste management industry, is the issue of land constraint. We are a very small country, 700 square kilometers with 5.5 million population, and we have a shortage of land. So the way we manage waste here, we have to be rather innovative. We've only got one landfill that's only going to last us about 35 years. And part of the whole waste management value chain is actually undertaken by the government. So one of the things that's facing a constraint by the industry is that we hope the whole value chain could be privatized soon so that we can have a better and more effective waste management. As it is now, only the waste collection, recycling, sorting, and treatment is being done by the private industry. The waste incineration plant and landfill is still being operated by the government. So that's one major problem we are facing here in Singapore. Well, the second issue that we face here is one of productivity. We're very heavily reliant on foreign labor because most Singaporeans are not very keen to be in the waste industry. It's not so sexy and it's deemed as dirty, and as Singapore is a very developed country, people prefer to go for high-paying jobs in the office, the white-collar jobs, and the blue-collar, or in a certain way, the green-collar job is not something that's so attractive. So we have a little bit of over-reliance on foreign labor, and that's an issue in Singapore because the government is trying to increase productivity by reducing the quota for foreign laborers, and that has impacted this industry quite a bit. Well, the third largest issue for us is the issue of land. Because our country is so small, the allocation of land for our industry is especially difficult because Singapore uses a formula where they actually work out the value add of a certain industry to the economy so that they will give away land, allocate land on a more economically beneficial to the country kind of a basis. So generally waste management is considered a low value add industry and low value add economy. So then, although there's a lot of waste to be managed, we have a shortage of land to allocate to the industry. Henceforth, the way we manage our waste here, we have to be rather innovative and we have to use a lot more automation, which means that the cost of waste management tends to be a bit higher. And then we also then have to weigh the political cost of passing on some of these costs to the consumers. And that is a big issue for the government. So we are in the midst of that kind of balancing act, talking to the government on a regular basis on how we shall raise the cost and improve the standards and at the same time maintain the political stability of the country as well.